Every parent knows that putting a child in a stroller is one of the safest ways to protect that child. But investigators are accusing David Barbosa of endangering the life of his 1-year-old daughter by intentionally putting her in harm's way.
He was angry because he wasn't fully paid for some work that he had done, so he was pushing the baby in a stroller out in the middle of the street with oncoming cars coming by.
It happened last Thursday, and deputies say they received several phone calls from eyewitnesses. When responding officers arrived, they found Barbosa and the child in the stroller with a bottle of sour milk.
A citizen actually came out with some baby clothes to put over the child because of the child's clothing was dirty and torn, and it was kind of getting cold out.
Lieutenant Banda says Barbosa was intoxicated. Investigators found a beer can at the bottom of the stroller. Barbosa was charged with felony endangering a child. He has a criminal record and at the time of his arrest had an open warrant for not paying child support.
But once he found out that he was going to be charged, his child was going to be taken, he became angry and frustrated and belligerent.
After being checked out at the hospital, the 1-year-old was taken into CPS custody. Investigators say the child's mother has not been in contact with the family for at least 6 months.